Myself, Miss Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Pravin Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My subject is maintenance of electrical equipment. So, in this video, you will learn about practical number 10, which is prepare the maintenance schedule and troubleshooting chart for the single phase induction motor. Practical significance: maintenance is a process which includes regular or periodical checking, testing, and replacing defective parts. A good and rigid maintenance practice helps to keep the machines in efficient conditions, keeping down time to minimum. Single phase induction motors are widely used in low power applications, therefore, it is necessary to learn different faults occurring in single phase induction motor and give solution or remedies to eliminate the fault so that motor operates properly. Relevant program outcomes, that is POs. PO2, discipline knowledge. Apply electrical engineering knowledge to solve broad-based electrical engineering related problems. PO3, experiments and practice. Plan to perform experiments and practices to use the results to solve broad-based electrical engineering problems. PO4, engineering tools. Apply relevant electrical technologies and tools with an understanding of the limitations. PSO1, electrical equipment. Maintain various types of rotating and static electrical equipment. Competency and skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency, that is, maintain different electrical equipment following safe practices. Identify the problems in single phase induction motor. Identify possible faults and rectify the faults in single phase induction motor and follow safe practices. Relevant course outcome for these practicals are prepare maintenance schedule for electrical equipment and maintain rotating electrical machines. Practical learning outcomes: prepare the maintenance schedule and troubleshooting chart for the single phase induction motor. Minimum theoretical background. So maintenance is classified as routine maintenance, preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance. A rigid system of inspection and preventive maintenance will ensure long life, trouble-free operation and low maintenance cost. The main aim of maintenance is to maintain insulation in good condition. Maintenance of induction motor is carried out as per IS 900 1992. Troubleshooting chart. So troubleshooting chart is essential for successful breakdown and preventive maintenance. In most of the industries, troubleshooting charts are known as repair register and card index form. So troubleshooting process is as follows. Identify the problem, establish a theory of probable cause, test the theory to determine cause, establish a plan of action to resolve the problem and implement the solution, verify full system functionality and if applicable implement preventive measures, document findings, actions and outcomes. So this is the circuit diagram for troubleshooting capacitor motors. In this diagram we can see how capacitor motors are troubleshoot. Resources used. So for this practical, resources are multimeter, continuity tester, tachometer, clip-on ammeter, test lamp, screwdriver, hammer, combination plier, spanner set, bearing puller, dial test indicator, filler gauge, maker and test lamp. Precautions to be followed. Make sure that supply is off and fuses are removed before carrying out maintenance work. Second, use proper tools during maintenance work. And third is, if replacement of part is required, replace with proper rating or correct dimensions. So for procedure for maintenance schedule. So first is make maintenance team of 4 to 5 students, and second, plan the type of maintenance work to be carried out. Third, select the single phase induction motor for maintenance work. Fourth is make sufficient space for the maintenance. Fifth is, before carrying out the maintenance work, make sure that supply is off. Sixth is, if breakdown maintenance is planned, disconnect and remove the motor from the machine or job. Seventh is, follow the recommended steps for maintenance and prepare a report. And second is for troubleshooting chart. For troubleshooting chart, The procedure is first identify the trouble in single phase induction motor, list out all possible reasons for occurrence of fault in respective trouble. Third is establish a plan of action to resolve the problem and implement the solution. Fourth is check the functionality of the motor. Fifth, repeat above procedure for all troubles in single phase induction motor. So in this manual you have to write the resources you use for this practical. Next is actual procedure followed and precautions followed. And next is observations and calculations. So in this you have to write, that is first for maintenance schedule, that is name of industry or plant or shop. So write down the name of industry, then nameplate details of the motor, and next is type of maintenance, that is routine, preventive and breakdown. So write down the type of maintenance. Next is nature of maintenance plan, that is daily, weekly or yearly. And next, list the activities carried out during maintenance. So you have to write the activities you carried out during your maintenance work. Next, mention name of the part replaced. So if replacement is done, then name the part you replaced. Next, for troubleshooting chart, they have given some troubles in your manual, that is motor does not start, motor runs too hot, speed varies, and you have to write down possible fault and remedies or solution for these faults. So you have to write down this information in your manual. Next, result, interpretation of result and conclusion. So write down this in your manual and complete your manual. Thank you.